Hey guys, we're going for a walk.
For a walk. And then you want to put your jacket on?
No.
Why? Cause what?
Cause I'm gonna be sweaty.
You're gonna be sweaty?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it?
We're
Like
going
what?
on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Oh.
Soaring through the sky.
Little Einstein.
We are? We're going on a rocket ship? Huh?
Yeah.
Wow, no, really. What kind of a rocket ship? Is it a big one?
Yeah.
Like how big? Whoa! What color is it?
What?
What color is the rocket
Green,
ship?
because it's Green Day.
Yeah, please.
Green Day. Meaning for twins. Reef and Shire twins. Green shirt, black tights, gray sweater.
Yeah.
Also same attitude.
Always.
Same attitude. What do you mean, same attitude?
Yeah, what do you mean?
You're grumpy.
I'm not grumpy.
I'm not grumpy.
Flamingo.
What are we doing? Walking? Are you walking? I don't think so. No, you're not walking. You're not walking.